Hi, I'm Sammy, and I'm a failure. Are we allowed to curse? No? Oh, Hi, I'm Sammy, and I'm a failure. But don't worry, we're about to fix all of that. But first, let me tell you how I even got here. If you're from my socials, then you kind of already know what's tea. But if you're new here, let me run it down for you. Okay, I came through with the TLDR version for you all because my girl is long-winded. So 2024, lost the highest paying job I ever had, devastated, applied everywhere, got interviews, rejected. So I said, I'll be a freelancer. I can code. It'll be easy. It wasn't. So then I said, okay, let me try to get clients. I got clients. I was on podcasts. I did a good job. Pockets, they were empty. So I got a temp job. Hated it. Ruined my mental health. So I said, back to freelancing. Got an LLC. Clients, hard to get. Then I got burnt out doing UX, making content, being a mom, all the things kind of burnt me out. And now we're here. You got all of that? Yeah, back to her. And that's how it all happened. Honestly, at 34, I never thought this is where my life would be. But sometimes you have to knock it all down before you can build it up. And I'm very excited to build it up better, stronger, and more fantastic than ever. So I hope you follow along on my channel. We're going to talk about freelancing, rebuilding your career, being in tech, living in Atlanta, and everything in between. I hope to connect with y'all more soon. Later.